Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin inside the meeting, sign in and join the session you're attending. Once connected, move your focus to the meeting toolbar. It appears along the bottom on desktop or top in some interfaces. You want to find the Reactions or Participants button now. These controls hold the raise hand option. Do this immediately so you can act. Make sure your app is updated to avoid missing icons. Outdated builds sometimes hide controls or change labels, which slows you down. With the Participants panel open, you can see names and who raised hands. That view gives direct control. Once you find your name, click the lower hand or hand icon next to it. This removes your signal for everyone. Alternatively, open the Reactions menu on the toolbar and choose lower hand. That route is faster if you use Reactions frequently. Doing this removes the notification for the host and attendees. After lowering, confirm your video/audio focus is restored so you can re-engage in the meeting. If you cannot lower the hand, ask the host to lower it from their participants panel. Hosts have overriding controls. Once you request that, try refreshing the Zoom app or rejoin the meeting. This often restores missing icons. Also verify whether you're in a webinar or a regular meeting. Webinars may restrict participant controls, which is why you can't lower hands. If problems persist, update Zoom and restart. That resolves most UI glitches quickly. If not, inform the host so they can adjust settings or lower it for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.